Thanksgiving in a bowl. So it's basically chicken, cream of chicken, a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of broth, and then some stovetop. So you're gonna need 4 chicken breasts. I just put them in frozen. You're gonna need half a cup of sour cream, and we're gonna just throw this all in together. Okay, hopefully that'll be enough. Just eyeballing it, but you can measure it. It's fine. Whole can of cream of chicken soup. Third of a cup of chicken broth. What else do we need? Get this off of here. You're gonna also put in just a little bit of some ranch seasoning just to give it a little bit of seasoning. Let me get a spoon for that. I'm gonna put in like a teaspoon, which is less than what a packet contains. So you need to be aware of that. And the last thing that we're gonna put on here is some chicken flavored stovetop. I just got the Great Value brand. You're only gonna need 1 box. So that's it. We are going to cook this on low for 4 to 5 hours or until everything is done. So I'll see you back here this afternoon. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I probably should have stirred this in a little bit more before I put it on the plate, but I didn't want to harm it at all before you got to see it. I just paired it with the green beans, and I do have some canned cranberry sauce that some of my family members are going to want to put on this. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a real simple Crockpot Berry Cobbler. I've already got my berries in my crock pot. We're going to be using this 16-ounce bag that you're going to need. And everything that we add to it, we're not going to stir. We're just going to plop it on top, okay? So you're going to need a little bit of vanilla, half a tablespoon, which is just a couple teaspoons. And I want it gooey, so I'm going to put some cornstarch in it. I need about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay. And I'm supposed to put a quarter of a lemon juice, the juice of a quarter of a lemon in here. So I'm just going to put a couple teaspoons or so lemon juice. All right. Now this we're going to stir. I meant to say that earlier. We're going to stir this part, but the next couple little things we are not. So we're going to stir this up so that our cornstarch gets mixed up with everything. All right, got that. And now we're going to use a box of white cake mix, and you're going to kind of flatten it out, so you need to kind of do that best you can. And then you're going to need 1 stick of butter, and then we are not going to be stirring it anymore. Really quick fall dessert, really quick. Perfect for any day, but definitely perfect for like a Thanksgiving, because you know how all of the oven and the stove and everything's all used up, and so 1 whole stick of butter. And you need to use real butter on this, not margarine. Okay. And we're going to cook this on high for about 2 to 2.5 hours, or until the top is brown. And I've already got some Cool Whip waiting for this dessert. So 2.5 hours on high, and I'll see you back here when it's done. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. Mine looks more like a blackberry cobbler than the recipe that I followed, but it's all done. I put some extra creamy Cool Whip on top, and it turned out perfectly. 3 hours, I think, and then I just cut it off. I don't even think it was supposed to be that long, 2 to 2.5. It still did perfect. This will be dessert tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.